Sometimes I don't know why I do this stuff. It's all fuel. What the hell? What the hell even happened? And then, if you can see right here, my transmission just, I don't even know what the hell happened. Just sheared right off. Look at this. Wow. Never seen something like that before. The gears are okay. The titanium gears are okay. I guess it racked this entire thing, so as you can see, my servo ended up breaking. My reverse, so looks like I'm gonna have to either delete reverse or go get a new servo. Don't ask me how the hell this even happened. I don't even know. Oh shit! Wow! I didn't even think that was that hard of a landing. Crap. Look at my pipe, dude. Oh, look at the other side. That's gonna need some glue. This is the second time I bent it. This is even worse. This is crazy. Wow. I gotta admit, this is cool. You can see the drip marks from the tank when it landed and when it sat. I don't know, I think it's pretty funny, even though it's at the same time really sad. Good news to everyone, the lights are intact. Yeah, who even cares at this point? This one's broken, by the way. I don't know how that one broke. Oh, the poor LST. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Oh crap, Ducky's here. Guys, we're doomed. Ducky does not look happy, everyone. This might be the end of the entire channel. He might kill me in my sleep tonight. I trusted the suspension a lot more. The first two seemed, you know, pretty good. But then that last one, I don't know what happened. One last look, because I might not do this again. Alright guys, so I got the LST in the shop. I just took out the tank and it's not looking too good. You can see that crack. It's just all throughout that entire thing. I'm not even going to bother repairing it. I have a brand new one, so I'll be using that. It looks like what happened with the transmission. It looks like where you put your little needle, that thing just sheared right off. So everything internally is good. Everything works internally. But it's just how that sheared off. So I just need a new transmission shaft. And just from the sound, this sounds like I need some bearings. Yeah, not too healthy. Here's that servo I was talking about. You can see the crack right there. Yep. So I'm gonna need a new servo. That's all I found right now. I'll go ahead and take out the engine, possibly take out the transmission, see how it looks. It gets worse and worse, guys. Man, I feel sick. Yeah, guys, and it keeps getting worse. Everything's broken on this poor thing. If anyone's worried, the engine is actually in perfect condition. Nothing really happened to it. I'm glad. Engine's all nice and safe. You can see these motor mounts are perfectly straight. They survived. The bolts didn't get stripped into them. So it's... Now the transmission here, here's where I worry. It's already looking like I'm going to have to rethread that because that thread just came right out. This case is old anyway. I might just find a new case online, pick one up. But yeah, that shaft is toast. But inside transmission seems to be pretty good. Sounds smooth, no crunching. I still use reverse. I do like reverse. I could convert this to forward only because I am buying a new shaft and forward onlys use a certain shaft. But it's an LST. I like the luxury of the reverse. It came stock with reverse, so that's why I choose to keep it. I'm not going to end up taking this transmission out because I do have to take out the whole plate. So this will pretty much be the end of the video where it is at right now. I'm going to end up taking the front end and rear end off and the battery box and my good servo. And I'm going to just leave all the broken stuff together. I already rebent this top plate once, and I really don't feel like doing it again. It was a real pain the last time I did it. Because this is like a cast aluminum, and it'll just... It's really brittle, and it'll snap on you if you're not careful. It also likes to stretch really easy, too, which I don't really like. Yeah, so unfortunately, that'll be it for the whole video. It sucks, because this was probably the best sounding exhaust ever. This thing sounded great. Now I got the poor thing all bent up. But please like the video. You already know why. I just have to deal with this crap. The LST is not gone. I can easily fix this. I have full confidence I can fix this stuff. It's just finding it. That's the toughest part. After this is all done, the LST will be better than ever, even stronger and faster than before. Sometimes stuff like this happens for a good reason. Now it gives me an excuse to go through the bearings and fix everything up, make sure it's perfect. It also gives me a reason to maybe rethink these shocks because it seems like they didn't do much dampening. That's probably why I think the whole chassis went like that. But thank you. Thank you all for watching. I was this close to making a Hell ST 2-year anniversary video. Because if you can even believe it, I bought this thing 2 years ago. But this seems like a fun way to celebrate the 2-year anniversary. Alright, I'm done here. Ducky's real pissed. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.